Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So right now I'm here in my backyard and it's been a couple of months since I last cleaned this area. I try to avoid coming out here because the weather is so hot. So I prefer to stay indoor, but it has accumulated a lot of dust and dirt and I reached to the point that I could not even ignore it anymore. So I have to start cleaning it. But this is not the real reason why I did this video for you guys, but I will show some videos, a few videos on the specific thing that I need to clean here in the patio side. But why I did this video is because of this outdoor fake plant that I have here, and it's been falling apart and I need to update it, and hopefully by the time I'm done, it's gonna look brand new. When we're not using our patio area, I usually fold or roll up our outdoor area rug. But this past few years, I just leave it as it is and it has accumulated a lot of dust and dirt. But of course, I don't want to waste a good rug, so all it needs is some cleaning up. So I'm just using a regular detergent soap and so far it works. And after that, I'm just gonna rinse it and let it sit under the sun and take advantage of the hot weather we have right now. And once it's nice and dry, I'm just gonna fold it up until we're ready to use our patio again. Okay, everyone, I'm back and I think it's been a week now since the last time I did this video, and it took me a while to figure out how to put together this DIY that I'm planning. That's why I was not able to post anything last Wednesday. And I got this plant from IKEA, and the original plan was just to drill a bigger hole and just insert this, put a glue and insert this thing. But when I did try to research what type of plant this is and how it looks like, then all my planning came into home and I have to figure out how to put them together. So hopefully once I'm done, it's gonna look good. First thing, I have to remove the old fake plant that's attached on the trunk. This fake plant has a wire in it, that's why I'm using my manual saw. After removing the tag price, I'm still figuring it out how to put this project together. After doing my research and looking through the internet, I found out that Monstera don't have any trunk, but instead they only have a stem. So what I will do is just glue each stem around the trunk using my E600, and we'll just be using the trunk as a decorative piece. And also, I will be nailing each of the stem through the existing trunk for added support. Some of the stems I try to stick it with varying heights, that way at the end it will have a nice layering on it. Since this is a wired plant, later on, once I'm done with this project, I can bend and form it on the style that I want. The next step is wrapping the lower stem with the wrapped wire that I got from Michaels. And this is how the base of a large monstera plant looks like. And by using this wire that is wrapped with a dried rami, it helps me imitate as close as I can from the real one. Then on the very end of the wire, I tried to make a simple knot just to secure it. I have another bundle of this rami wrap, and this time I'm gonna start from the bottom. While I'm pulling the wires as tight as I can, in between I'm hammering all these wires to keep it in place and to add some security. And on the very top, since there's two trunks, I tried to wrap the wires in figure of 8 just to add some security and keep the stems in place. And this time I'm just trimming all the loose fibers just to have a nice finishing. For additional touches, I got this decorative river stone from Hobby Lobby. For the next step, I will be using this Easy Hold mulch and rock binder to keep the rocks in place, which I got from Amazon. This will be the first spray, then I will wait for it to dry, and then I will be doing it for another 2 to 3 times. And aside from the rocks, I did include spraying the wrap wire. And I will leave this to dry for 2 to 3 days. So I got this clay pot from Facebook Market and I got it in good price. But since I don't have enough dirt or soil right now, what I'm going to do is just insert the old woven basket where the fake plant is positioned right now. And I'm just going to insert it from here. But since this is taller than the existing basket, what I'm going to do is that I have these extra bricks that I have from my backyard and I'm just going to put it on the base. That way, when I insert the plant or the fake plant and the woven basket, it's not going to sink in through this pot. Okay, I have a dilemma because when I measured the opening of this old pot, it measures 10 inches. And on the Facebook Market, it says that this pot's opening is 18 inches. So when I went and picked this up, I did not even brought my tape measure to measure this. And when we inserted the old pot, it would not fit, or it won't really go in totally in this pot. So it's going to stay like this for now until I've collected enough dirt to fill in this pot so that I can transfer this to the original pot. But it doesn't matter. It's just few inches out right now. So I think I can get away with it for now until I've collected enough dirt. So let me go ahead and dress it up and show you how everything looks like. Okay, everyone, meet my fur baby. This is my baby Jasper. And also, even though this old pot did not totally fit in on the new clay pot that I just bought, I still love how it looks like. And besides, this is the reality of doing a DIY project. But hopefully you guys love the simple DIY project that I just did. And also, it's been a while since I last did a walkthrough for you guys. So I think next time when I do a video, I'm sure going to bring you guys when I do a walkthrough. So guys, again, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!